Helpful techniques to help you deal with arthritis. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight causes stress on the joints, especially in the knees and hips. This added stress leads to flare-ups of arthritis. This is in addition to the well-known health dangers of being overweight and the detrimental effects it has on your mood and energy levels. Speak with your doctor about a safe weight loss plan. For arthritis sufferers, it is important to lose weight if you are overweight or obese. Excess weight just puts more strain and pressure on your arthritic joints, which can make your arthritis even worse. It is a proven fact that every pound you lose is 4 less pounds of pressure on your knees. Allow yourself to relax very deeply. Recline in your chair, let your eyelids grow heavy and use deep, controlled breaths. If having a bad time with your arthritis, you should try taking a break and just relax. This will help you mentally fight the pain. In order to prevent joint stiffness, incorporate low-impact exercises into your day-to-day routine. Doing too much exercise can cause arthritis to flare up. However, light to moderate low-impact exercise can help to keep your joints from stiffening up, giving you more freedom of movement. Some exercises you can do to stay limber include walking, swimming, or bicycling. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.